You might attack me for my opinion, but there's two options. Which one are you? One, tips are not mandatory. I do not have to tip you. I tip you under these conditions. You did exceptional service, or if I have sufficient funds. I do not tip you under these conditions. I do not have sufficient funds, or I don't believe there's nothing special about your service. Or I tip because I feel generous. You are entitled and you get paid anyways. Option 2, you should tip me. I am obligated to be tipped. I only work set amount for the day, and when you tip, it helps me out. Whether the service is good or not, you should tip me regardless. If you cannot afford tip, do not come to the restaurant. You are broke. You should stay home and cook your food. Comment below which one you chose. Don't forget to follow, like, and share this video. I'm Jamaican Spider-Man. Peace out.